Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to fix package failed updates, dependency or conflict validation. When you try to open any JPG files, you got this error message. So how to fix it? Let's start the video. So guys, click here start button and after that click here setting option. After that guys, click here apps option and after that guys, click here installed apps. Click here arrow button and find here photo apps here, and after that guys, click here three dot and click here advanced option. So guys, after that under reset repair option, and after that guys, click here reset option. So guys, after that close this window. Now open any browser and type here download Microsoft Photo. Microsoft Photos. And click here this first link. And after that guys, view in store. Click here. And after that guys, install this Microsoft Photos app on your PC. So I have already installed this app. Now open it. Now close this app and after that guys, minimize it and now open your JPG file. So guys, I hope your problem is fixed here. So guys, if your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.